How to add and switch account on the Telegram app on iPhone. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can add or switch account on the Telegram app on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you open up Telegram and maybe you come to your settings and maybe you come here, you try to look for the add account section but you're not being able to do so. Well, to add another account without logging out of this current account on Telegram app is very simple. Come to the settings page here, then long press on the settings icon here. When you long press on it, you'll find this option called add account automatically. So now you can tap on add account and then you can simply enter the new number that you want to use, then tap on the continue option to add your Telegram account. And this is the simplest way on how you can add account on your Telegram app on iPhone. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.